There is still so much potential in meme coins for 2025. In today's video, I'm going to be going over some of the newest tools, some of the latest tools that can help you not only find the top cryptocurrency coins for today, but also find traders making millions of dollars trading meme coins every single week. I'm sure that you haven't heard about a lot of these tools in today's video, so make sure that you stay tuned until the end because I'll be showing you so many different strategies that you can use to find these top meme coin traders and insider wallets. If you do enjoy the video, smash the like and subscribe. And don't forget to stay tuned until the end of the video because I'll be giving you some of my top software, the fastest meme coin trading software that there is, and I'll be keeping that until the end. To start today's video, I'm going to head over to KolScan.io. On this website, I'm able to track the top meme coin traders in real time. We can see traders in the last few minutes trading a few Sol, millions of tokens. You can actually track all of their trades and see who is making the most profit today. We can monitor trades from top wallets, discover new and trending wallets, and analyze the most profitable trades. What I like to do is actually come over to leaderboard, and here on the leaderboard we can track the top traders by daily, weekly, even monthly profit and loss. Here some traders up multiple hundreds of thousands of dollars, $500,000 right here. We're able to go over to their X profiles. We're able to even copy their wallet address, and I'll show you something very cool later on in the video. One of the top traders, we can head over to weekly and we can see centered. We can click right here and head over to their page on KolScan. Here we see their top holdings and we can see they actually still have nearly 500 Solana in their wallet, which is extremely bullish because if they still have Solana in their wallet, it means they're still looking for trades so that they can buy in and out of meme coins. There are some traders where they've actually made a lot of money in meme coins, but then you'll notice their current wallet balance is close to zero. That could mean that they've made a lot of money on that wallet. They've transferred all the funds out and they're now going to begin trading on another wallet. So seeing someone with lots of Sol in their wallet is definitely bullish to show that they're going to continue trading in the future. One thing you're also able to do is track the last 7 days or 30 days worth of trades. So we can go over the last 30 days and even see the most recent trades. So 6 hours ago, he was very, very active taking a lot of trades. We can even go to the most profitable trades. See here, making over 100 Sol, 99 Sol, 98 Sol, just 12 hours ago, 9 days ago, 4 days ago, showing this trader is extremely active in the market. See total transactions, so actually buying more than 3,000 times, selling more than 3,000 times. In today's video, I'm really going to be covering copy trading. So with this particular trader, as much as he's up more than $500,000, he won't be someone that we're able to copy trade because of his transactions. But I'll also show you something right here. We'll copy his wallet address at the top. We can see centered next to his X account and also his wallet address. Even before we jump into the wallet address, let's click on the X and that will take us over to his specific X account. There might be some alpha here. We can see more than 400,000 followers. Some people that I'm already following followed this particular trader. And now we can actually go through and see, is there any alpha that this particular trader is posting about? Once we've come back and copied the address for this trader, I'm actually going to head over to Telegram and use this next tool. I'm going to be using SolSqueezer, their premium tool. What I'll do is paste their wallet address, and what we'll see is we'll start to analyze this particular Solana wallet. Now for copy trading, SolSqueezer is going to give us a large list of different statistics that's really going to help us to analyze this trader and find, is he going to be profitable? one of the first things that we do want to notice is these yellow, red, or green circles. Yellow and red really indicating some warning signs, green showing us the good thumbs up. What we're seeing if we scroll to the bottom is fast trades. So more than 750 trades are actually fast trades that are less than a minute. And if you know a thing or two about copy trading, you would know that we're not able to copy trade trades that are less than even a couple of minutes. It won't be super profitable for us to do this. So with this particular trader, he's still made a lot of money, but unfortunately he won't be copy tradable. What we can do is even come back to this leaderboard section and go through a lot of these traders in the last week. What we see, this number here is how many transactions they're taking. So this trader's taken more than 2,000 transactions in a week. He won't be copy tradable. You do want to be finding someone that's only taking a handful of buys and sells. Maybe someone like this trader, 11 buys, 18 sells, and has made nearly $30,000. What we can do is copy his wallet, come back over to SolSqueezer or paste it in here, and now analyze this wallet. We want to be finding a trader that's taking a small amount of trades or just a handful of trades, but also being consistently profitable. We don't want to be finding a trader taking thousands and thousands of trades. It just won't be copy tradable. So here we'll see, have a look for SolSqueezer. Is this person copy tradable? We see a lot of his trades, 56%, unfortunately are fast trades, although he's still making a decent amount of money and his profit is actually nearly $40,000. So I came back to the homepage of KolScan and I was able to find a trader right here that recently traded and actually sold a large amount of Sol. When I pasted his wallet here into SolSqueezer, I was quickly able to find a lot of green check marks here. ROI, 117%, profit and loss more than 5,000, 92% win rate. That's extremely profitable. Right here we can see in market cap buys, he loves to buy between 5,000 and 30,000, which means he's an extremely early buyer to a lot of these coins. When the launch of a lot of these pump fund coins happens, they launch at around that 5,000 market cap. And we're seeing actually fast trades, only one, so about 8%, only one. That's really good. I love his win rate. His profit is pretty good. Overall, what we'd be able to do is begin copy trading this trader. We could even open up his Excel spreadsheet. So we could click right here. That would open up Excel and we could deep dive even further into all of these traders. We could quickly see where he's making a lot of money. You can see between 500 to 100% profit, where he's losing his money. So actually only one loss out of all of these trades. And here we're able to track all the trades and see the total delta percentage. So making hundreds of percent on some trades, the total investment of Sol, the total profit in Sol, time the first transaction was. We can track the duration of the trade. We can track when his first buy was in terms of market cap. We can even track the duration of all of his trades. So a lot of these trades, at least multiple minutes, which makes it easy to copy trade. We can see his first buy, the market cap it's launching at. So basically buying as soon as it launches. When he's selling, so the market cap he's selling at. So basically sniping them as soon as he launches. So with this particular trader, it might not be the most perfect example, but here I'm able to continuously use KolScan and even go to their leaderboard, go down the list, paste every single wallet. It will only literally take like 10 or 15 minutes to go through a huge amount of wallets. And I'd quickly be able to find a handful of traders who are making a good amount of money, and then really deep dive further, go into the Excel spreadsheet, have a look at all of the statistics of the specific trader. Once I'm super happy with that trader, I would actually come over and copy their wallet address. So here I've copied the wallet address of this specific trader. Then I come over to TradeWizBot, the fastest Telegram trading bot available. If you use the link in the video description, you get a massive percentage off all of your trading fees and free access to all of these features. Like I showed you in a previous video, their auto trade on pump fund feature. Here I'll be using copy trading. So we'll come over and click on copy trading. Then we can see we can add a copy trader to our portfolio. At the top, we can add a specific tag. Let's call him TradeWiz. Then what we want to do, since we copied the wallet address here, the target wallet, we do want to paste that here into TradeWiz. Once we've done that, we're given a large variety of different settings that we can play around with here on TradeWiz. The most optimal way would be to potentially use a small amount of Sol, backtest the strategy, make sure it works, and then continue with a much larger percentage of Sol once you do find this trader to be profitable. Really what I like to do is leave the buy percentage at 100% and put 1 Sol for the buy at the max, and then also 1 Sol for the minimum buy. So regardless of how large the trader is trading, 10, 20, 30 Sol, I'm only going to be buying for my maximum amount of 1 Solana. Can even put my total investment. So my only maximum total investment of 10 Solana for this particular trader. For a lot of these other settings, I do like to leave them because, especially when I'm first trialing a trader, I want to test their specific strategy, or even using SolSqueezer, I can check what type of market caps they're buying and what type of coins they're buying, and I can alter some settings like minimum market cap. Maybe I'm seeing that they're not profitable in the 5 to 10,000 market cap coins, but when they buy larger coins, they are beginning to be profitable. So I can change the market cap as I'm backtesting and going into more depth for these traders. Sometimes I like to turn off unrenounced and unburnt. That's for the contract. Obviously, we do want to keep copy sells as true. We do want to change the buy and sell gas fee to actually be a little bit faster. Obviously, that will increase our transaction speed. Our anti-MEV, sometimes I leave it off depending on the transaction, but a lot of the times when I'm trading a lot larger, I'll definitely turn it on. Also, specifically changing the buy slippage and sell slippage, something like 35 to 50% is definitely going to be necessary, especially depending on the different market cap coins that your trader is trading. That will be something that you will understand, something that I really deep dive further in my copy trading masterclass, depending as well on the specific market cap that the trader is buying. Once you're ready, hit create, and you're now copy trading every single trade that this profitable trader is taking. There's still so much potential in meme coins, especially in 2025. We can find insider wallets literally making millions of dollars trading meme coins. We can piggyback on their trades and actually begin copy trading them using TradeWiz bot. Don't forget to use all the links in the video description for massive discounts, and smash the like plus subscribe because I'll be seeing you in the next video.